Hi everybody, this is the painting that I did from my rooftop during the second round of COVID-19 attack by the virus, and there was no way we could go out and paint. So we went to the rooftop of our apartment and started painting. So this is just a basic painting setup. This is my thumb box, and I started mapping out the the thing. And the problem here is that there are too many objects to paint from, so you can just, or you have to just pinpoint some of the aspects of the scenes that you're seeing and select from there. With so many subjects around me, I chose this house that was there because it gave me an impression of abundant existence. So I just started painting, and this is like a barren land with shrubs here and there. And here I'm checking the color of the land, which is slightly whitish looking, and I checked it, and we'll be creating variations within that value scale, cool or warm, whatever. So I'm just covering the area. So this is the only way that we could paint during that time, and this is the scene that I chose. You can see that there are some persons walking here and there, but it's extremely risky. The colors that I am using are very simple: titanium white and cadmium lemon, yellow ochre, alizarin crimson, cobalt blue, and ivory black. This is fairly common. In most cases I use chrome yellow deep hue because I feel that is the color uh, is that is the color of India, but I ran out of that so had to use cadmium lemon, so which is another color that I used in the past as my basic yellow. So I'm using that, and here I'm using a heavily modified watercolor fan brush that I use for shrubs like this, for abstract shapes, using various grips. You can see I'm using a toothbrush grip sort of, and defining the edges a little, and we'll be focusing on other aspects of this particular study. So this is just a 5 by 7 study done on panels, and this is most helpful for quick paintings, and you can quickly capture a particular scene from anywhere in the world because its scale is small, and you will have some sort of a memory with this particular box, and to capture the scene, how things were around you, the atmosphere, the environment, all of these things impact. And if some paintings turn out good, you can convert them into a bigger painting. So here I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to capture the evening light, and there is practically very little light. This is just twilight, and we are looking at the east, so it's very cool, no temperature whatsoever. So this is the shot of the final painting. So if you like this video, then please click the like button and also subscribe for more videos, and also remember to click the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video has been uploaded. And also check out my website www.kaustavamfineart for more paintings. And if you have any queries, then please let me know. Thanks for your time. Take care.